Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Short Woman Crazy Haircut. How are you, dear viewers and subscriber? I hope you're all well and best condition of health. In this video, I will give you information about short haircut as well as short bob hair pixie cut. Short crazy hairstyles are all about expressing your unique style and personality. They can be bold, edgy, and full of attitude. Some people's short crazy hairstyles for women include pixie cuts with vibrant colors, asymmetrical cuts with shaved side, and spiky or textured styles. You can also play around with different hair accessories like colorful clips or headbands to add even more fun to your look. Remember, the key is to have fun and be comfort with your hairstyle choice. Some popular hairstyles for women like the buzz cut, short pixie, basic pixie, textured pixie cut, undercut, and boy bob, shoulder length cutting. Now let's talk about a buzz cut. Buzz cut is the super low maintenance haircut that is also the great for the hair repair. Short pixie cut is the perfect for those who want the drastic change with minimal styling pressure. The basic pixie cut is the one of the easiest haircut as far as styling goes because of all the hair is cutting to all about the same 1 to 2 length and styled in the direction of her hair growth. The haircut is also the great for those who curly or wavy hairs and they require little to no styling. The haircut is essentially a very short haircut or the sided of the back with a few inches of the length on top. It is also be perfect for the undercut haircut. Let's talk about the bob pixie haircut. It Bob Pixie haircut is the sassy and the daring vibe. The Bob Pixie like a rebellious statement for your hair. When you rock a Bob Pixie, you are not just cutting your hairs, you are unleashing your inner furious and the fearless diva. The Bob Pixie is the haircut that the screams of the confidence and the individuality. It's a bold choice that set you apart from the crowd. Get ready to turn head and make jaws drop with the bob pixie that uses of the air of effortless schools or the undeniable style. It is the perfect fusion of the elegance and the edgy, creating a look that both the sophisticated and the daring. You embarrass the bob pixie, you are embarrassing the whole new level of the self-expression. It is the hairstyles that demand attention and make a statement. Set out of your comfort zone and is also the world. The bob pixie with ordinary become the extraordinary. You haircut become the work of art. Bob pixie haircut is a secret weapon in your hair. It is also the shortcut that packs a punch of the leaves of the lasting impression. Ditch the ordinary and embrace the extraordinary with the bob pixie that showcases your unique personality and fearless spirit. It is not just a haircut, it is a sample of the empowerment and self-assurance. It is also a reminder that you can rock and style with confidence. Bob pixie haircut are very awesome for those ladies with elegance meet daring in the world of the hair. Goodbye to the ordinary and hello to the extraordinary with the bob pixie. You will be the trendsetter in every room you enter. Embrace the power of bob pixie and let confidence shines through. I hope you find that these unique lines inspiring. Remember that comfort is key. A beautiful haircut make your face look more attractive and charming. So if you like my video, please like, share and comment on my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more updates. See you soon. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Short Woman Crazy Haircut. How are you, dear viewers and subscriber? I hope you're all well and best condition of health. In this video, I will give you information about short haircut as well as short bob hair pixie cut. Short crazy hairstyles are all about expressing your unique style and personality. They can be bold, aggy, and full of attitude. Some people short crazy hairstyles for women include pixie cuts with vibrant colors, asymmetrical cuts with shaved side, and spiky or textured styles.